What if I told you there's just one exercise that can tone your six-pack, strengthen your core, improve your posture, boost your metabolism, and even uplift your mood, all in just 1 minute? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's true. Planking, one of the simplest bodyweight exercises according to experts, has the power to transform your body and mind. This exercise has recently taken the world by storm, especially among those who don't have the time to hit the gym. No need for fancy equipment or a gym membership. Just your own body weight is enough to get amazing results. In fact, there's hardly a more effective workout than this. But to unlock its full benefits, you must do it correctly. That's why in this video, we'll show you the perfect way to plank, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll also discover the incredible benefits of doing this regularly and learn everything you need to know about planking, so you won't need to watch any other video. Stay with us till the end and transform your fitness journey with this simple yet powerful exercise. Let's start by understanding what planking actually is. Planking is a type of isometric exercise that activates multiple muscles at once using just your body weight. It's simple, effective, and requires no equipment, making it perfect for busy individuals who don't have time for the gym. Despite being so simple, planking is one of the most effective exercises. It works on your waist, abs, hips, shoulders, hamstrings, and core all at once. Strengthening your core muscles means you will be healthy from the inside, and your stomach area will gradually become more toned. Excess fat will melt away, and you'll slowly progress to advanced exercises over time. Today, we'll focus on 2 types of plank exercises: the standard plank for beginners and the forearm plank for those at a pro level. Along with that, we'll also discuss the top 5 incredible benefits of planking. Let's begin with how to do the standard plank. This is where every beginner should start. While the forearm plank is more popular, it's a bit challenging to perform correctly. You can try it later, along with other variations. But for now, let's start with the basics. The standard plank, also known as the high plank. Here's how to do it. Lie face down on a mat. Keep your feet slightly closer than hip width apart and rest your toes on the mat. Place your palms flat on the mat, aligned with your shoulders. Take a deep breath before lifting your body off the mat by straightening your arms. Keep your elbows locked and balance your weight evenly. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core muscles. Don't let your hips sag, and keep your chin neutral. Mastering this form is essential before moving on to advanced variations. Let's dive into it and make every second count. If you can perform this exercise correctly, you'll already experience 2 out of the 5 benefits we're discussing today. Let's first go over these benefits, and the remaining ones will be shared after explaining how to do the forearm plank. Benefit number 1. The first noticeable change is the reduction of fat, especially belly fat. Planking is incredibly effective for slimming down your waistline. It gradually tones your abdominal area, strengthening your abs and core muscles. Since planks target all the major core muscles, they're unmatched for belly toning. Additionally, as you continue planking and improve your skills, you'll build the strength needed for other advanced exercises. Here's some good news for women. Planking not only helps you achieve a lean stomach, but also strengthens your hip muscles, giving you a well-shaped, toned lower body. Benefit number 2. Planking boosts your overall metabolism. Being a compound exercise, it activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously. You'll feel your entire body working together. This makes planking an excellent calorie-burning exercise, far more effective than crunches or sit-ups. What's more, as you build muscle through planking, your body burns even more calories. The more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism becomes, helping you lose weight and stay fit more efficiently. Now, let's learn how to do the advanced forearm plank. Although the high plank activates more muscle groups, the forearm plank is more popular because it targets the core muscles more effectively. While it is more challenging, if you've already mastered the high plank, you can push yourself a bit further and try the forearm plank. This variation provides even better results for strengthening your core. The steps are similar. Lie face down on a mat. Keep your feet slightly closer than hip-width apart and bend your toes to touch the ground. This time, instead of placing your palms on the mat, rest your forearms with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Make sure your body forms a straight line, just like in the high plank. Engage your core muscles and don't let your hips sag. Keep your head in a neutral position to avoid neck strain. While planking, pay close attention to your breathing. Avoid holding your breath or breathing too lightly. Instead, focus on maintaining a natural and steady breathing pattern. Now let's explore the remaining 3 benefits of planking. Benefit number 3. It significantly reduces the risk of back and spine injuries while alleviating back pain. Planking helps improve your posture while sitting or walking by targeting all the major core muscles, including your obliques and abs. It strengthens your back muscles without putting excessive pressure on them, minimizing the risk of injury and relieving back pain. Plus, it encourages you to sit and stand upright. Say goodbye to slouching. Benefit number 4. Boosts balance. Struggling to stand on one leg? Weak core muscles could be to blame. Planking strengthens your balance and stability, helping you perform better in sports and daily life, and inspiring you to stay active. Benefit number 5. Mental health. Magic planking isn't just for your body, it's for your mind too. It eases tension, relieves stress, and calms anxiety, leaving you refreshed and focused. To get the maximum benefits, start with just 30 seconds of planking every day, and then gradually increase by 5 seconds. Aim to hold the plank for 1 minute or more to fully experience the benefits. Consistency is key, so try to do it at least 6 days a week. So, are you ready to take the plank challenge? Just 1 minute a day can bring significant changes in your strength, balance, and overall health. If you've tried planking before, don't forget to share your experience in the comments. And if you're about to start, come back after a month and share your results. For more health and fitness tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.